Yo, my name is Benjamin and this is a curated collection of open source fonts available to everyone in Framer. In the font picker we have two new categories: open source with all newly added fonts and Collletttivo, containing all fonts from this foundry. This means there are dozens of new fonts for you to try to make your sites and templates more unique. And many of these will support variable font features as well as OpenType features. And we made sure to curate a diverse collection. You'll find new text and display fonts, and also new monospaced, rounded, serif and sans serif fonts. And fonts like Rina that support variable properties are especially customizable. We're excited to be able to bring all of the Collletttivo typefaces directly to Framer, making them available to all users. Collletttivo is an open source type foundry with very high quality fonts. So you can filter the fonts from just this foundry, and you can also find these fonts in the open source category. And that's pretty much it for this video. There are many fonts I did not get to cover here, so be sure to go out and explore them in Framer. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates coming soon.